Boozhoo! My name is Niigaanii-Animikii Inini, and I'm Redcliffe's Language Culture Coordinator. Today, we're going to go over some introductory phrases that anybody living in Ojibwe country, Anishinaabe-Waking, can use on an everyday basis. The first phrase is hello. In the Ojibwe language, we have a couple of words that we can use for hello. The first is Boozhoo. Boozhoo translates to greetings or hello. Really respectful way of saying hello to somebody, and it feels really, really good hearing it back. Now, some folks say Boozhoo comes from bonjour, French for hello or good day, but my elders tell me Boozhoo comes from one of our traditional teachings. Another word for hello is Aaniin. Aaniin translates to hello, hey, hi. It's a little more informal than Boozhoo. Aaniin also translates to question words like how or what. Some of the communities further north from here than Redcliffe, they use it just as those question words. However, here in Redcliffe and further south, we use it also as hello. This next phrase is for thank you. In Ojibwe, we use Miigwech. Miigwech translates to thanks or thank you. Now, many of you probably already use Miigwech on an everyday basis. So if you do, I encourage you to expand your lexicon. Let's say you want to say, I thank you, one person to one person. You can use Gimiigwechiwi'in. Now, if you are one person saying, I thank you to multiple people, or beings, of course, then you could say Gimiigwechiwi'ininim. A lot of people ask me, how do you say you're welcome in Ojibwe after somebody says thank you? Well, my elders and teachers told me, you don't have to say anything. We don't have a phrase in Ojibwe for you're welcome. But if you want to say something, you can say aho, ahau, nahau. These are all ways of saying okay. Another phrase we don't have in Ojibwe is goodbye. Instead, we say, I'll see you later. So if it's one person saying, I'll see you later to another person or being, just one to one, then we'll say Giga-waabamin. Now, if it's one person to multiple people, then we say Giga-waabamininim. Gimiigwechiwi'ininim bizindalia. Misayu. Thank you all for listening to me. That's it.